back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I DIY'd this jean skirt that I thrifted. I literally got this skirt for like $3.50 or something like that from Salvation Army. Fabric paint from Michael's, which was like $5. So I DIY'd this skirt for $8 total. And the skirt is from American Eagle, but obviously I got it thrifted. So yeah, insert like a little clip of what the skirt looked like before. I'm sure it's not hard to imagine. It's just without the stars. And yeah, you can do this on like a pair of jean shorts or like pants or a skirt if you want to. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And if you want to see how I DIY'd this skirt, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I got this skirt from the Salvation Army for literally $3. So even if we mess up on this DIY, I really don't care because it was so cheap. But the things you're gonna need is a jean skirt or pants or shorts, anything you wanna do them on. I just printed out these stars and I'm gonna cut them out so I can have like an outline to make it easier to paint the stars on because I cannot freehand that. And then you're just gonna need like a little sponge or a paintbrush to put the fabric paint on, and this is the one I have. I don't know if it's the right one for jeans, but I'm hoping that it is. And then just some scissors to cut this part out. And I just cut these out in whatever so they can stencil them on. And I'm gonna kind of see where I want them. I want the bigger one over here. And then I think I'm gonna start with the smaller one here, and I might put one here also. And maybe some other places, but we'll see once they're on how I'm feeling. Now they're all taped down and secured. Okay, I'm gonna put a paper towel under just in case it goes through. I don't think it will, but my life it will. Actually, there's a pocket under that one. I'll just put it under this one. When I'm going around the edges, I'm gonna like try to hold it down like this just to make it so it doesn't like bleed to where I don't want it to go. But we'll see if I'm successful with that. See what the star looks like. I think it looks really good. It didn't bleed like that much. Did a little bit right here, but I just wiped it off. And I think it looks fine, you know? People are just gonna look at it quick. It's not gonna be able to tell. Put it back down here so we can put another star there. Okay, and this is how it turned out. I was gonna take smaller ones, like probably like this big, and put them here and here, but I just feel like that would be too much, and also I don't know, I just don't want to. But obviously if you're recreating this, you can put however many stars wherever you want. You can do big ones, small ones, really big ones. I was gonna also put them on the butt, but since it's not plain, I just think it would look weird. But if you have like a plain pocket, I think that would look super cute. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I'm just gonna let it dry before I try it on for you guys. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you like how the skirt turned out. I hope this gives you inspiration if you are trying to recreate this. You could also do it with like a white skirt or pants or shorts and do like black stars. That'd be really cute too. I also think this is a really cute DIY for like the 4th of July and just every day in general because I love stars. So yeah, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!